Crenosoma Striatum is a parasite that completes its life cycle in hedgehogs, with gastropods serving as the main intermediate host and vector. We will be focusing on Erinaceus europaeus, the European hedgehog. Let's meet our parasite. C. striatum is a nematode, meaning it has an exoskeleton and a distinct mouth and anus. Our parasite is part of the family Crenosomatidae. C. striatum is white or pale yellow and has cuticle folds. The larvae grow from 300 micrometers to 15 to 20 millimeters if they are female and 10 to 15 millimeters if they are male. Life cycle. Firstly, worms become sexually mature within an infected hedgehog and reproduce. The first stage larvae are coughed up, swallowed, and shed with the feces. Larvae then penetrate the host's foot and develop into the infectious L3 stage. C. striatum enters a new final host when the vector is consumed. Parasites often exploit trophic levels within an ecosystem by developing within smaller hosts before moving to a larger, definitive host to grow and reproduce. C. striatum spreads easily as hedgehogs travel around 4 kilometers each night to forage, spreading infected feces or straying into areas with infected snails. Hedgehogs are also not territorial, so an infected hedgehog can overlap ranges with a healthy hedgehog, then incidentally pass on the parasite. Impacts. C. striatum infections cause inflammation of the trachea, bronchi, and alveoli. Infected hedgehogs also lose weight due to the metabolic costs from the immune system and have a dry cough. Healthy hedgehogs have larger sexual organs, suggesting they also have more energy to put into reproductive efforts, increasing their success. A parasite harming or killing its host understandably impacts on the parasite itself. This indicates that it's not yet well adapted to its host. However, C. striatum uses its detrimental effects to its advantage by causing the host to have a cough, which is used to transport parasite larvae to their digestive system, suggesting it was more beneficial throughout its evolution to utilize the negative impacts rather than decrease them. Ecto and endoparasites are a normal part of hedgehog ecology, however certain factors can increase the impacts parasites have. Harbouring parasites comes with energetic costs. For example, ticks and intestinal flukes take nutrition from the hedgehog, restricting energy available for immune responses. A 2021 study found that parasite occurrence increased with age, potentially due to juveniles not being exposed to vectors for as long or older hedgehogs being less immunocompetent. Since C. striatum is an obligate parasite, its prevalence correlates with hedgehog activity. For this reason, occurrence increases from spring to autumn. In October, as hibernation begins, less parasites are found in deceased hedgehogs. This could be due to food scarcity weakening hedgehogs. It is also theorized that climate change and habitat destruction from humans may increase the effect of parasites. Since hedgehogs are becoming a more common pet and their population decline has led to increased conservation efforts, their parasites have become of veterinary importance. A study published this year, 2024, looking at C. striatum and Erinaceus concolor, found that moxidectin or praziquantel were an effective treatment.